Alright, in a previous video, I showed you how to create a metric and enter your data manually on your mobile device. But that case might not work out for everybody because they got a lot of data in Excel. So one of the best ways to move data from Excel into Atlas is to load up our Atlas for Windows or Atlas for Mac app. It gives you more of a desktop experience and also allows you to kind of interact with those desktop files. What I'm showing you here right now is Atlas for Windows. So I'm going to click on metrics, and then I'm going to go into that private metric where we're using earlier. And this dialog comes up, and I'm going to manage data. So right in here, you can see I got a grid of data. I got a couple rows of data. You can actually see I got an error right here where an S is missing. So if I tap on that, I can type in S and I can hit update. Now this is not something I'm going to constantly want to do and do it manually since I have data in Excel. So this button right here allows you to download a sample CSV file that you can load in Excel and use to transpose your data into this format and up into the system. So I have Excel running here, and in Excel you'll see from the sample we have 4 columns of data. In Atlas we really wanted to make moving data into the solution easy without a database developer doing all the work for you. And really at the end of the day, for us, we believe a metric is the most important thing that you can have for your business because it's basically your business logic. And that is, you have a current value or an actual. Sometimes you compare it against a target. There's a series that allows you to have kind of a category, like in a pie chart, the pies are cut out. And then a transactional date. I mean, we really made the data super simple to get into the system. So if you wanted to just add, like in this case here, I'm just going to type in some data, right? And I'm just going to copy this a couple times. And I'm just going to change the date. Maybe we'll open the numbers up a little too. Pretty simple, huh? Let's just make it a little bigger. We'll take it up to November, December. Let's put one in 2016 or 2017. So here I have my set of data already done in here. Now I can put in targets here, but the metric I'm using doesn't have targets. And all I'm going to do is save it. So when you're using Excel in your business, again, you can pull the data from the database into this format, save it out, upload it up into Atlas that quickly. Or if you're taking it from a public source, copy paste into the format up into the system, done. Literally, you're moving data in minutes and not hours, weeks, or months that it would typically take. So I saved this file, save it again. All right, let me close Excel now that I'm done with my data. You need to close it because Excel will keep an open connection to that file and not let any other program open it. So I'm going to close it. And now I'm going to upload it. So I'm going to click this upload CSV file on my desktop. There's my sample. Now I have a choice here. I can append or replace the data. I'm going to replace it. What that will do is it's going to erase all the data there and upload new data, which you see here. If you do an append, it's just going to add the data to the data set that's already there. And we're done. So now if I type in up here in search, there's my private metric we worked on. I tap into it. Now you can see I have all that data. There's an example of loading data quickly using Microsoft Excel.